You want to talk to Mommy? Go ahead and talk to Mommy, pretty girl. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. There you go. Tell him, say hi, how are you?
Hi.
Say, what is up? Oh, my goodness. Say hello, everybody. Oh, look at them big blue eyes. Mama sees you. Such a big girl. Say, I'm a big kid now. Oh my goodness. We'll just go. Oh, go ahead and talk. Are you a happy baby? Are you a happy girl? Yeah, I'm trying to wave. I'm trying to wave. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. How are you? Oh, are you really that good? So tell everybody bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.